Long-term care pros and cons. One of the considerations in planning for retirement age is factoring the need for long-term care. The concern is a valid one. The baby boomer generation is entering their twilight years, people are living longer, medical expenses are rising, and the future of Medicare and Medicaid is uncertain. It is estimated that 60% of the U.S. population will need some sort of long-term care in their lifetime. Depending on the level of care needed and the period of time for which it is needed, that care can financially devastate an individual as well as their heirs. Long-term care covers a variety of services, both personal and health needs, for someone who suffers from a disability or a chronic illness. In addition to medical needs, day-to-day needs such as bathing, dressing, meal preparation and feeding, and personal tasks fall under the long-term care umbrella as well. While most people think of long-term care as being solely for seniors, the need can arise at any age due to illness or accident. A study by the National Center of Women and Aging at Brandeis University estimated that 60% of adults 65 and older would need long-term care at some point in their lives. However, to illustrate the fact that need can occur at any time, the National Family Caregivers Association found that 40% of individuals receiving care from a professional healthcare provider were between the ages of 18 and 64. While the common stereotype of a long-term care provider is someone working in a nursing home, in actuality there are many forms of care available, including in-home care providers, community-based services, assisted living facilities, retirement communities, and nursing homes. The costs of long-term care vary based on the type and extent of services required. Many times, a family member provides the service until the needs go beyond their ability to care for them. Costs also vary greatly depending on the location and facility. Below are the median rates for long-term care in Texas from the Genworth 2011 Cost of Care Study. Adult daycare healthcare averages $7,800 per year. An adult daycare health center is one where the primary caregiver can take the disabled adult for the day. Homemaker services average $38,896 a year. These services are typically provided to someone who can live on their own but needs help with the day-to-day household tasks, such as cleaning, shopping, and cooking. A home health aide averages $41,000 a year. As with the homemaker services, a home health aide provides care to someone in their own home. However, they attend to more of the medical and health-related issues. An assisted living facility, and these costs are for a private one-bedroom, averages $38,500 per year. An assisted living facility, and these costs are for a private one-bedroom room, averages $38,520 per year. An assisted living facility provides a blend of care and independence that is popular with many seniors. They have their own living space and can come and go as they please. However, the facility typically handles all of the housekeeping and maintenance chores as well as has medical support on hand. And a private room in a nursing home averages $60,225 per year. A nursing home provides the most extensive level of support and care for an individual's needs. Long-term care insurance is a policy that is designed to protect the individual from the devastating financial drain long-term medical care can have on an estate. There are many options for a long-term care insurance plan depending on who is purchasing the policy and the needs of the individual. Many people approaching their retirement years purchase the plans for themselves so as not to be a burden on their family members and to protect their assets and the inheritance that they will pass on. However, an increasing number of policies are being purchased by individuals for their parents. Known as the sandwich generation, they are facing raising children, paying for college, and all the other related costs for their own offspring, as well as assuming the role of caretaker for the parents. In cases like these, a long-term care insurance plan can help mitigate the outgoing medical expenses. Many individuals purchase a long-term care insurance policy for themselves not only for financial reasons, but also to maintain more independence and control over their lives as they age. Rather than being dependent on family members, they have the option of choosing the form of their care. While there is a wealth of information online about long-term care plans, an experienced insurance agent can advise and guide you to the best choice of coverage for your family and situation. If you are considering an insurance policy for long-term care in Texas, please contact us for a confidential consultation.